Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. If you're looking for an accurate and easy-to-use pocket option trading strategy, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a powerful strategy using just 2 indicators to help you make better trading decisions. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and turn on all notifications so you never miss a new video. Risk warning: trading binary options involves financial risk, and there is a chance of losing money. Past results do not guarantee future performance. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Do your own research before making any trading decisions. For this strategy, we will use 2 indicators at their default settings: SuperTrend indicator and Fractal Chaos Bands indicator. Now, let's go over the simple trading rules. For a buy trade, the SuperTrend indicator must signal and buy. The price should touch the bottom line of the Fractal Chaos Bands. Once this happens, enter a buy trade. For a sell trade, the SuperTrend indicator must signal a sell. The price should touch the upper line of the Fractal Chaos Bands. Once this happens, enter a sell trade. Use a 1-minute candle time frame and set your expiry time to 2 minutes. Always follow the trend. Do not trade against it. Do not trade during major news events to avoid unpredictable market movements. This strategy can be used in both real and OTC markets. Check the description box for more details about this strategy. Enough theory. Let's see this strategy in action. Watching real-time trades will help you understand exactly how to apply this method. So, let's jump into live trades now. I've just entered a sell trade based on our strategy. SuperTrend indicator showed a sell signal. The price touched the upper line of the Fractal Chaos Bands. This is exactly how we apply the strategy. Simple and effective. Before using this strategy with real money, always practice on a demo account first. This helps you understand every detail and build confidence before switching to a real account. Now, we just need to wait and see if this trade ends in a win or loss. This waiting time is crucial. Patience is key in trading. Stick to the strategy, trust the process, and never let emotions take over. We've won this trade. This shows that when we follow the rules correctly, our strategy can deliver great results. Now we stay focused and watch the market carefully for another perfect opportunity. As per our trading strategy, this is a perfect sell trade setup because SuperTrend indicator has given a sell signal. Price touched the upper line of the Fractal Chaos Bands. Market is in a strong downtrend, and we always trade with the trend for better accuracy. Following the trend increases our chances of winning as we are moving in the same direction as the market momentum. Friends, if you have any trading strategies that you'd like me to test and make a video on, drop them in the comment box below. I'd love to analyze your strategies and create content that helps our entire trading community grow. Now we patiently wait to see whether this trade will end in a win or loss. We've won this trade. This proves again that when we follow the strategy correctly, we can achieve great results. Let's keep watching the charts for the next perfect setup. Is this a correct buy trade setup? Let's analyze. Many of you might think this is a perfect buy trade setup because SuperTrend indicator gave a buy signal. Price touched the bottom line of the Fractal Chaos Bands. But no, my friends, this is not a valid setup as per our strategy. Take a close look at the third candle before this. It's a huge bearish candle. This single candle has almost covered the entire Fractal Chaos Bands channel. For better accuracy, we need normal-sized candles, not candles that are too big or too small. A strong bearish candle like this signals market imbalance, which can make the trade risky. Always check the candle size and structure before taking a trade. Now we wait to see if this trade will end in a win or loss. We lost this trade. But that's okay. Losses are part of trading, and every trader experiences them. What matters is how we learn and improve from them. No strategy wins 100% of the time. Patience and discipline are the keys to long-term success. Stick to the strategy and avoid emotional trading. Now, we'll wait for the next perfect trade setup. We have entered a sell trade based on our trading strategy, and here's why. SuperTrend indicator has given a sell signal. price touched the upper line of the Fractal Chaos Bands. Market is in a strong downtrend, and we always trade with the trend for higher accuracy. Why following the trend matters? Higher probability of winning, since we move with market momentum. Avoids unnecessary risks that come with counter-trend trades. Enhances accuracy when combined with the right indicators. Got questions or trading strategies to share? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Check the description for more details about this strategy. Now we patiently wait to see if this trade ends in a win or loss. As you can see, the trade closed successfully in profit. This shows how well this strategy works when followed correctly. Always remember to follow the rules and wait for proper confirmations before entering a trade. This increases the chances of success and minimizes unnecessary risks. That's it for today, traders. Make sure to practice this strategy on a demo account before using it for real trading. This will help you gain confidence and improve your skills. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with other traders. Your support helps the channel grow, and I'll keep bringing more valuable content for you. Good luck with your trading journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and happy trading.